Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm from Group 1, which consists of 4 members, namely Takdir, Naufal, Biogevin, and me, Sapta. I will present the result of our paper. The first is preface. We would like to express our sincere gratitude to our English teacher for providing valuable guidance and support in the preparation of this paper on specific nouns. The explanation, direction, and encouragement given during this process were greatly appreciated. This topic plays an important role in helping us build a strong foundation in English grammar. Through studying specific noun, we gain deeper understanding and clarity in identifying and using precise vocabulary in different contexts. These topics plays an important role in helping us build a strong foundation in English grammar. Through studying specific nouns, we have gained deeper understanding and clarity in identifying and using precise vocabulary in different contexts. We are also grateful to our classmates for their helpful discussion, shared insight, and constant motivation throughout the completion of this group assignment. Their participation and willingness to cooperate made the learning process more meaningful and engaging. Last but not least, we truly appreciate the dedication and teamwork shown by all members of our group. Each contribution, effort, and commitment has been essential to the successful completion of this paper. Chapter 1 Introduction is background. In the study of English grammar, nouns serve as foundational elements of communication, allowing speaker and writer to identify people, objects, places, and concepts. However, not all nouns provide by the same level of clarity. Specific nouns are important because they refer to a particular and clearly identifiable object or entity. The use of specific nouns help avoid misunderstanding, increase precision in written and spoken language, and assist the reader or listener in comprehending information exactly as intended. In daily communication, specific nouns are used unconsciously to design a certain object, while in academic and scientific writing, they help writer convey information and accurately and professionally. When nouns are too general, the message may become vague and open multiple interpretations. Therefore, understanding specific noun is essential for learners of English to produce well-formed sentence, assignment, essay, and scientific text. B. Problem formulation. Based on the background presented above, the following problem statements are formulated in this study. 1. What are specific nouns in English? 2. How are specific nouns used in various sentence structure? 3. What are the differences between specific noun and general nouns? 4. Why are specific nouns important for clarity in communication? C. Purpose of writing. The purpose of this research paper also follows to explain the definition and function of specific noun in English, to describe how specific nouns are used in both spoken and written language, and to identify and analyze the differences between general and specific nouns, and last, to emphasize the benefits and importance of using specific nouns for achieving clarity and avoiding ambiguity in communication. Chapter 2 Literature Review. Based on our understanding, we believe that specific nouns are extremely important in communication because they allow us to express ideas clearly and accurately. By using specific nouns, we can avoid confusion and ensure that the listener or reader fully understand what we mean. We also think that specific nouns are especially useful in academic or formal writing, where precision is required. When information is conveyed using exact terms, the message becomes more professional, reliable, and easier to follow.
1. Frank, 1972. Frank states that nouns become specific when they refer to a clearly identifiable person, place, thing, or idea. According to her, specifically in nouns is achieved through naming, detailed description, or contextual clarity. Specific nouns help eliminate ambiguity and ensure the message is understood the same way by both speaker and listener. 2. Will, Greenbaum, Leach, and Startvik, 1985. The scholars argue that specific nouns play a crucial role in distinguish between shared knowledge and new information. They emphasize that specificity help establish reference within the source. For them, a noun becomes specific not only by naming but also by being uniquely recognizable within the communication context. 3. Azar, 1999. Azar explains that specific nouns are essential in accurate communication because they provide concrete details. She states that specificity improves the reader's or listener's mental image, making sentence more descriptive and vivid. She also highlights their importance in academic writing where clarity is required. 4. Murphy, 2019. Murphy, in his modern grammar explanation, emphasized that specific nouns reduce misunderstanding. He notes that English learner often more struggle to express precise meanings because they rely too much on general nouns. Murphy argues that specificity enriches language use, supports storytelling, and strengthens sentence structure. Chapter 3. Discussion. 1. Definition of specific noun. A specific noun is a noun that refers to a particular or exact person, place, thing, or idea. It gives us clear information and help the listener or reader picture the object in their mind. Example: general, animal. Specific word is dog. The general, building, and the specific word is school. Even more specific, like SMA Negeri 1 Denpasar. So, specific nouns make meaning clearer. 2. The difference between general and specific nouns. Let's look at this table. General nouns and specific nouns. The general nouns word is animal, and the specific noun is cat, dog, or a tiger. The general nouns is a car, and the specific noun is like Toyota, Honda, Civic, and Tesla. The general noun is teacher, and the specific nouns can be Mr. Andy or Mrs. Reina. The general noun food, and the specific noun can be fried rice or nasi padang or Burger King. The general noun is fruit, and the specific noun can be mango, banana, or orange. Example in a sentence. General word is I saw an animal in the park, and the specific word is I saw a dog in the park. The second sentence is clearer and more vivid. 3. Expert opinion. 1. Markella Frank, 1972. Frank argues that specific nouns provide precision by distinguishing one object from another clearly. According to her research, using specific noun significantly increases sentence transparency and prevents misinterpretation.
1, 2, 3.
2. Betty Scramper Azar, 1999. Azar emphasized that specific nouns help form a clearer mental image in the mind of the reader. She states that the brain processes detailed information faster and more accurately, which is why specific nouns are crucial in academic and descriptive writing. 3. Randolph Quirk, 1985. Quirk highlights that specific nouns eliminate ambiguity and strengthen sentence structure. His research shows that students who frequently use specific nouns have better academic writing skills. 4. Specific types of specific noun. 1. Proper nouns. Name of specific peoples, place, or organization. Examples: Indonesia, Kevin Sanjaya, Mount Bromo, and Google. Second, concrete specific noun. Things we can see or touch. Example: pencil, chair, computer, table, and backpack. 3. Abstract but specific nouns. Ideas that are still specific in meaning. Examples: kindness, loyalty, and honesty. 4. Collective specific noun refers to a specific group. Examples: the Indonesian national badminton team, the class of 2025. 5th, compound nouns, two or more words that form a specific meaning. Example: ice cream, washing machine, and high school student. 5. How to identify a specific noun. To check if a noun is specific, ask: first, can I point to it exactly? And 6. Examples in sentence. For general, she bought a fruit. For specific, she bought a pineapple. 7. Why specific nouns are important. First, clarity. The listener understands exactly what you mean. The specific one: I bought a flower from I bought a red rose. The common mistakes for the wrong one is he lives in a city. For the specific one is he lives in Jakarta.
A. Conclusion. Based on the discussion in the previous chapter, it can be called the specific nouns play an important role in making stances clear, more detailed, and easier to understand. Unlike general nouns, which are broad and unclear, specific nouns provide information about a person, place, thing, or idea. Using specific nouns help the reader or listener imagine the situation more vividly. It also improves adds interest to sentence and makes reading or speaking sound more professional. The example and experience in this paper show that replacing general nouns with specific nouns can significantly improve the quality of a sentence. B. Suggestion. For students, it is recommended to practice using specific nouns in daily reading and speaking activities to improve English communication skills. For teachers, it will be helpful to provide experience and real-life example to reinforce students' understanding of the difference between general and specific nouns. For future words, future research or papers can include more example stories or activities to make the of specific nouns even easy to live in a belly.
Apologize for our lack of professionalism in presenting our paper. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.